2025 was a year that called us to reimagine everything. From how we connect with each other to how we welcome the world, the Caribbean stood tall, united in purpose, bold in vision, and steadfast in action. At the Caribbean Tourism Organization, we declared 2025 the Year of Caribbean Resilience, crafting tomorrow's tourism. And together, we did just that. When Hurricane Melissa struck Jamaica and Haiti, that spirit of resilience was tested, and our region answered and are still answering. Governments, tourism partners, cruise lines, airlines, and the global Caribbean family mobilized swiftly, bringing relief, supplies, technical support, and coordinated recovery planning. It is a powerful reminder that resilience is more than a theme. It is who we are. In the first half of 2025 alone, the Caribbean welcomed over 18 million overnight visitors, a 2% increase over 2024 and nearly 7% above pre-pandemic levels. Our cruise sector also soared with over 20 million visits, underscoring growing confidence in our destinations. This growth didn't happen by chance. It was driven by a clear vision and purposeful action of our member countries and private sector partners. To guide this momentum, we launched the Reimagined plan, a bold, region-wide roadmap centered on innovation, sustainability, and inclusion. In 2025, we strengthened our institutional foundation, appointed a deputy director for sustainable tourism and a manager for business development and marketing, established 4 new board subcommittees: Reimagine Oversight, Events, Audit and Finance, Cruise, Yachting, and Ferry. Our governance is stronger, our mission is clearer, our execution is sharper. We signed strategic MOUs with Conservation International, Travel Unity, and ICF, reinforcing our commitment to sustainable development and community-based tourism. With the support of the Caribbean Development Bank, we secured funding to build human capital across the region, investing in the people who are at the heart of our tourism sector. Over 1,000 individuals were trained across the Caribbean, from service professionals to destination managers. We proudly hosted several impactful events in 2025. Caribbean Week in New York with 20 destination partners and over 300 attendees. The State of the Industry Conference in Barbados, featuring a dynamic keynote presentation by global tourism expert Dr. Oliana Poon. A vibrant SOTIC marketplace with an innovation hub, allied membered feature area, and CTO knowledge exchange kiosks. A high-energy ministerial exchange. Landmark presentations from the CTO research team led by Elias Shakir. Deep dives into traditional and emerging source markets and emerging niche markets. Medical tourism, sports tourism. The launch of a new Tourism Intelligence Award. The Unforgettable Youth Congress introduced 15 new junior ministers. Tobago was named Regional Junior Minister for 2025, and for the first time ever, Jamaica was named Junior Secretary General, a new and exciting addition. Under the leadership of Sharon Banfield, our resource mobilization team hosted a highly successful Tourism HR conference in the British Virgin Islands, focused on building a skilled, resilient, and future-ready workforce. 2025 was also a year of powerful storytelling. We proudly launched 2 flagship publications: Caribbean Bliss, a new lifestyle tourism magazine. From the C-Suite, a landmark tribute to Caribbean women in tourism leadership. We also introduced Sustainability in Action series, celebrating best practices across the region. Importantly, we operated within budget and closed the year with positive cash flow, managed under the stewardship of Neil Walters, Director of Finance, a testament to our sound financial management. We marked Caribbean Tourism Month in November with renewed energy, guided by the theme, Caribbean Cultural Mosaic, Rejuvenating Heritage and Authenticity, led by Narendra Ramgulam, Deputy Director for Sustainable Tourism. In a proud moment, CTO was honored by an international award from the Pacific Area Travel Writers Association, recognizing our leadership on the global tourism stage. With the intervention of our very vibrant Allied board under the leadership of Billy Griffith, our Allied membership grew by over 50%, now totaling 80 plus partners, including airlines, cruise lines, hospitality leaders, and global organizations who believe in the Caribbean brand. We welcome new ministers and directors into the CTO family and deepen regional collaboration. Together with Royal Caribbean, we co-hosted the iconic Summit 2.0 as part of Caribbean Weekend in Miami, in collaboration with our allied members, showcasing our culture, connection, and opportunity to the world. The Caribbean is more than a destination. It is a force, a collection of proud nations, resilient people, and unforgettable experiences. In 2025, we didn't just recover. We reimagined, rebuilt, and reignited the spirit of Caribbean tourism. As we look ahead to 2026, we do so with continued energy and a bold sense of purpose. We will host our spring meetings in Bermuda. For the first time ever, we will introduce the CTO Air Connectivity Forum, a vital platform for advancing regional and international access. We will deepen engagements with emerging markets across Latin America, Africa, Asia, and the Middle East, while strengthening our presence in North America through key partnerships including Roots Americas, the Travel Adventure Show, and leading media outlets. The Sustainable Tourism Conference returns to Belize in April. We are already preparing for a bigger, more immersive Caribbean Week 2026 with expanded stakeholder participation. Our flagship event, SOTIC 2026, will focus on climate resilience, innovation, and investment. We will continue investing in people development, expanding our training and capacity building efforts to prepare for tomorrow's tourism workforce. To our member states, partners, allies, and friends around the world, thank you. To Honorable Ian Goodin-Edgill, Chair of the Council of Ministers and Commissioners of Tourism, and Ms. Andrea Franklin, Chair of the Board of Directors, thank you for your leadership, clarity of vision, and unwavering commitment to regional collaboration. To our Council of Ministers, Board of Directors, and our committee chairs, Rosa Harris, Latia Duncombe, Andrea Franklin, Colin James, and Minister Valerie Damaso, thank you for your service and dedication to regional tourism development. To our allied and affiliate members, thank you for your ongoing support and belief in the Caribbean's global potential. To the CTO Secretariat team, thank you for your professionalism, commitment, and tireless efforts. To our contractors and service providers, including those in legal, IT, communications, and event planning, we appreciate your continued partnership. Together, we are reimagining what's possible and positioning Caribbean tourism not only to thrive, but to lead. On behalf of the Caribbean Tourism Organization, I wish you and your loved ones a joyful, peaceful, and safe holiday season. We look forward to continuing this journey with you in 2026. Happy holidays from the Caribbean Tourism Organization.